Hello everyone, hope you are at the best of your health and doing great. Stay safe, take care. Okay, and I really thanks to all the subscribers who has really, subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. It's really very matters a lot. Your support indeed is required. Okay, now I thought अगर मेरा ये वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले let me just have a word with you and all. So this video is also food related है, cooking के बारे में ही है. Doesn't mean that I'm not trying to give a cooking learning or imparting a cooking lesson or skill kind of teaching नहीं है. Not say great cook, but I'm just sharing with you the way I do it in my kitchen, okay? And of course it comes out very nice, okay? And I'm sure you will also like it. Please go through the video. In this video I have prepared upma and I've used coconut oil. We generally, for cooking fish, chicken, even upma, we use coconut oil, but you can have your preference, white oil or ghee. Ghee will be more preferred, I'll say. So go through it. And upma is always cook to cook when you get up in the morning and think of what to be done in the breakfast. So that's of course the fastest one to be cooked at the kitchen. So take care all, and अच्छा लगा, पसंद आया तो please share, give your likes, and please subscribe. Your support is indeed very important to me. Please help me and guide me so that henceforth जो भी मैं video upload करूँ and all, it should be always on the improvement. हमेशा betterment होता रहना, and betterment means every day betterment never stops. So every day I should learn something and keep improving. Anyways, I am learning on that. I'm sure it will interest you. So please go through my video. Thank you once again, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Matters a lot. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.